How do you become a six-figure career coach without a certification? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps that you can take today to become a six-figure career coach. And this is the process that I used to become a six-figure career coach in under 1 year of starting my business. These strategies are going to help you whether you are just starting out as a career coach or thinking of taking the leap into coaching, or you are more seasoned and experienced. I'm going to lay out exactly how to get more predictable revenue and clients ultimately scale to those six figures. So let's dive straight in. The number one way to become a career coach without a certification is to help people obtain a specific outcome using your unique experience. For example, if you transitioned careers from teaching into tech, you could coach and train people on the exact steps that you took to obtain that outcome. Or maybe you got promoted 5 times in under 3 years in your corporate job and you want to coach people on how to do the same. Or maybe you are a project manager and you want to coach and train people on how to obtain remote roles in project management. In all 3 of these examples, you are using your unique experience to help others obtain a similar or same outcome. Of course, you have to understand the industry, the career trajectory, and what it takes for somebody in that position to succeed. But as a career coach without a certification, your number one tool is your experience. So you can utilize your experience to help people obtain a specific result. And that brings me to step number 2, which is to help at least 5 people obtain the same result and collect success stories. Your goal in the beginning should be to help at minimum 5 people obtain the same result that you are promising in your coaching or your program, to show that success is repeatable across the board. And once you help those people obtain that result, I want you to collect success stories, because these success stories are going to be crucial when you are marketing your career coaching company and your services. By doing this, you are showing people that your results are proven. And there is nothing more powerful than testimonials, social proof, and other people speaking about the results that they've obtained. Okay, so once you've gotten those success stories, step number 3 is to transition from a one-to-one to a one-to-many model. Most coaches I see take on the one-to-one approach, which simply means I am only coaching one person at a time. So they have my full focus, my full attention, whether it's through a Zoom meeting, Google Meet, etc. But I'm only in, say, a 1-hour session coaching one person. And the one-to-one model is great because you can help that specific person obtain the outcome that you are promising and really help them gain success. I also started my career coaching this way, but you don't want to stay here. Once you've done the one-to-one approach, collected about 5 to 10 success stories, and truly helped your clients achieve a transformation, you want to transition to a one-to-many model. This means delivering your coaching to not just one person, but to a group of people instead. And a group could be as small as 3 people or up to 50 plus people that you are coaching at a time. Why this approach works so well is that it allows you to maximize your time, effort, and impact because you are coaching more than one person at a time. And this is how you scale. Say, for example, I charge $2,000 for a 90-day program where I will help you land a job in tech in 90 days. This would be the one-on-one coaching model. But in a group coaching model or a one-to-many, I could charge $2,000 for a 90-day program, a group coaching program, and sell that program to about 5 students that I will coach and train at a time. This now 5x's my income from just the $2,000 in the one-to-one approach to $10,000 in a one-to-many approach, still obtaining that same result and helping them to achieve success. I've just 5x'd my revenue with about the same input of time and effort. If I simply stick to the one-to-one approach, which many coaches do, I am limited to the amount of time that I have in a given week or in a month to coach people one-on-one, and my revenue as a result is very limited. But when I start to shift into a one-to-many model, my growth becomes exponential. I've also found group coaching programs take a lot less effort than a one-to-one kind of coaching relationship. So at the end of the day, the benefits of a group coaching program far outweigh the one-to-one approach. And that takes me to step number 4 on how to become a six-figure career coach without a certification. You want to focus on marketing and sales. Now, with many coaches and consultants I work with, they are really good at being a coach. They're really good at helping their clients obtain a specific outcome, but they're less good or less focused on marketing and selling their programs and their services. And the number one thing you need to know about scaling to 6 figures is that sales is service. So if I am not selling my products and services online or to my potential clients, if I'm not letting them know about the offers that I have and really perfecting my sales process, there is no way that I could scale to 6 figures and beyond. Marketing and sales should be your number one priority. Without revenue, you cannot run your business, and without predictable revenue, you cannot scale. So I will start learning more about marketing and sales. Understand lead generation. Start reading books on sales and shift your perspective around what it means to be a salesperson. Selling is one of the key skills that you need to build if you are going to be a 6-figure and beyond career coach. And step number 5 is to raise your prices. Please do not undercharge for your services because you think you are making it more affordable for people to purchase your service and to obtain coaching from you. In the beginning, I sold my coaching program for a certain price. I helped people obtain the transformation, and then because I had proven success and measurable results, I raised my prices. And I highly recommend that you do the same. By building your credibility, you also build the ability to charge more for your services. And I know that your services will start to become more and more in demand the more you are focused on marketing and sales, and the more that you help people obtain that transformation. Most coaches charge for the time that they are investing in somebody, say for a one-on-one coaching session. But what you should be charging for is the value of the transformation you are helping that person obtain. And that shift in perspective around pricing is how you get to 6 figures. In my experience working with coaches, about 8 out of 10 of them undercharging for their services. So this is my call to action to you to raise your prices. Now let's recap. How do you become that 6-figure career coach without a certification? First, you want to help people obtain a specific outcome using your expertise. Second, you want to help at least 5 people obtain a transformation and collect their success stories. Number 3 is to transition from a one-to-one to one-to-many model. Number 4 is to focus on marketing and sales. And number 5, to raise your prices. Now that you know how to build your 6-figure career coaching business without a certification, you're probably going to want to know how to build out your signature program. So I want you to watch this video next to see exactly how to do it. And if you want to know how we're helping other coaches, consultants, and agency owners scale their businesses and scale their client base, click the link for my free ebook right below this video.